Now, your First Warn weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. A very foggy start to our morning across the state line. You can see how foggy it is on our Mercy L Sky Track camera overlooking the Park Hills Golf Course out in Freeport. Very foggy conditions throughout the state line this morning, and that's why the National Weather Service has put out a dense fog advisory for all of our counties here in the viewing area up until 9 o'clock this morning, and that's because we're definitely going to expect reduced visibility, especially under a half mile at times up until about 10 o'clock, and that's what we're seeing at the moment in a few locations. Down to 0.3 up in Janesville, down to 0, in fact, in Monroe and Freeport, up to 2 now down in Rochelle, but down to 0 out west in Savannah. So you're definitely going to want to make sure if you're traveling this morning, give yourself extra time, take it slow, and use those low beam headlights while traveling through the fog. In fact, we do have clear conditions over the fog this morning, mostly clear skies with a little precipitation making its way into northeast Iowa this morning. The cold front that brought the severe weather yesterday is now down to our south and southeast. We do have another cold front that's going to be the main focus of the forecast the next couple of days, because this cold front is going to be passing through by the mid to late afternoon today, and that's not only going to bring windy conditions to the area, also a chance for showers later today, but also it's going to bring cooler air for the rest of the work week. In fact, that cold front ahead of it is going to bring us rain chances. That's going to bring a couple of scattered showers this afternoon and also a few isolated thunderstorms that should be out by late this evening. But behind that cold front, we get very windy. Winds are going to be gusting upwards of 25 tonight, 40 miles per hour tomorrow, and that's going to also help bring in all that cold air that's been sitting in northern Canada and southern Canada and bring it into the upper Midwest and the portions of the Midwest. So let's take a look at FUTURECAST for the rest of the day today. Once that fog does burn off, we do have a chance for sunshine. We'll be partly sunny going into the afternoon. Clouds are going to quickly increase as this cold front moves closer towards the region. That's also going to be sparking up a few scattered showers after 2 o'clock this afternoon, and maybe even a few isolated thunderstorms more towards late afternoon and into the evening hours. So that's why you might want to take it a little bit slower on your drive home later today. We do have a chance for a few scattered showers throughout the evening. But once that cold front does come through, we are going to see dry conditions behind it. Partly cloudy skies overnight, but the winds are going to be ramping up, like I said, upwards of 25 miles per hour tonight and then upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour tomorrow. We are going to see a mix of clouds and sun, but those northwesterly winds are going to bring a little bit of moisture into the area, so we could see patchy drizzle and even a few flurries throughout the day tomorrow. Nothing too substantial, but it's going to be much cooler, in fact, with highs in the upper 40s. We actually stay with the low 50s heading into the weekend, but with this cold front, it's definitely going to be gusty tonight and also tomorrow. Winds gusting upwards of 25 tomorrow, upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour during the day tomorrow. So if you have any loose objects in your yard, it would be best to bring them inside. So let's take a look at the 7-day forecast. 47 Thursday, and then we go up into the 50s heading into Easter weekend. Easter Sunday, looking at a chance for rain and also temperatures in the upper 40s. We are going to be cooling down heading into Monday and Tuesday, but for today, looking at temperatures in the low 70s. So get outside once this fog burns off, because that'll be the best opportunity to see the sunshine and also, get outside and get some fresh air, Elliot.
Yeah, soak up the 70s while we can. Thanks a lot, Joey. Well, we've got a live look outside. Your news in a flash is also coming up next.